Wastesavers was set up in 1985 by a group of people who were enthusiastic about the environment and wanted some more projects in the area, and we've now expanded to have over 70 staff, and we work with Newport City Council and running social programmes working with the local community, such as Peak, working with the young people.
The teenagers that we work with have usually been thrown out of school or just don't attend school. Some of the work that we do with them is just to get them interacted again, try and get them in and just attend, and sometimes that's enough for them to start their life all over again. We look at finding an alternative way of teaching them, usually practical. Behind me you'll probably see some bikes, and what we do is we reclaim the bikes and we'll bring them in, we'll fix them up, we'll teach them the proper way of doing it, and they'll get qualifications for it. We have a number of other projects such as carpentry, and we get donated some old wood, and from that we'll build things such as flower pot men, bird boxes and also bird tables.
I've got qualifications out of it. I am more better behaved now because there's somewhere to come instead of not going to school and causing trouble and all that. You know, they're helping me and all that, so I'm not so bad.
By having the big lottery funding, we'll be able to expand throughout the whole of Newport until Vine. We're also looking to expand the number of different practical activities and qualifications that we offer our young people. We're looking at horticulture, digital media and music, and other options for the young people when they come and work with us.
They seem to enjoy it. There's a lot of laughter, there's a lot of smiling, and of course they get qualifications out of it.